We're sitting in what we call the living room now. We spend a lot of time out here. A lot of wine drinking happens here, lots of parties, birthday parties, and it's just a great expansion of our home, and we all enjoy it. We have ample parking on Mozart Street, and we had to decide whether we were going to tear down our garage and rebuild or just tear down the garage, and that's what we decided to do, and expand our backyard. So we took every available square inch and we replanned the yard on a 45-degree angle so we could build little rooms and pathways that would make it seem more interesting and more intimate. So we're big Cubs fans here, and the garage has always had ivy on it as long as we've lived here, and we decided we wanted our own outfield. We Googled the measurement, and we know we're 12,672 feet from home plate. So this is our special outfield wall. We love it. So yeah, it's great. It's lively and active and peaceful at the same time.